मुझे इस बारे में थोड़ा पता है। I know a bit about it. I know a bit about it. शायद मैं ये करूं। I might do that. I might do that. बच्चे को मत रुलाओ। Don't make the child weep. Don't make the child weep. इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? क्या तुम्हारे साथ कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? वो सोने का नाटक कर रही है। She is pretending to sleep. She is pretending to sleep. वो पेट के बल सोता है। He sleeps on his stomach. He sleeps on his stomach. तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? मुझे कल याद दिलाना। Remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? अपना सर सीधा रखो। Keep your head straight. Keep your head straight. बिल्कुल तुमने ठीक किया। Definitely you did right. Definitely you did right. मैं यहाँ पास में रहता हूँ। I live in near here. I live in near here. तुम बात नहीं मानते। You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. इसके लिए जगह बनाओ। Make room for it. Make room for it. खाना तैयार है। Meal is ready. Meal is ready. तुमने क्या खो दिया? What did you lose? What did you lose? क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? थोड़ा और लीजिए। Have a little more. Have a little more. वो फिसल कर गिर गया। He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. मुझे पैसे की दिक्कत है। I have financial problem. I have financial problems. मुझे नहीं लगता वो आएगा। I don't think he will come. I don't think he will come. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. इस तरफ से आइए। Come this way. Come this way. मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ। I am not like that. I am not like that. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? मेरे बारे में सोचो। Think about me. Think about me. मेरे साथ रहो। Be with me. Be with me. वो बहुत देर बाद आया। He came after a long. He came after a long. ये फ़ायदे का सौदा नहीं है। It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. क्या वहाँ जाना फ़ायदेमंद है? Is it worthwhile going there? Is it worthwhile going there? पूछने की ज़रूरत नहीं। Needless to ask. Needless to ask. तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है? What are you up to? What are you up to? ये किस बारे में है? What is it all about? What is it all about? ये बच्चे मेरे हैं। These children are mine. These children are mine. मैंने इधर उधर देखा। I looked here and there. I looked here and there. कैसा लगा मेरा फ़ोन? How did you find my new phone? How did you find my new phone? तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता। Nothing can be of you. Nothing can be of you. मैं सुबह से बाहर हूँ। I am out since morning. I am out since morning. इसके लिए उसे मनाओ। Convince him for it. Convince him for it. मुझे तुम्हारी करतूत पता चली है। I have come to know your doings. I have come to know your doings. ज़्यादा देर मत जागना. Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. उंगली मत दिखाओ. Don't point your finger. Don't point your finger. हिम्मत है तो करके दिखाओ. Do it if you are bold enough. Do it if you are bold enough. सब कैसा चल रहा है? How are things? How are things? खाक अच्छा है ये. The hell it's good. The hell it's good. मेरे शर्ट का बटन टूट गया. My shirt button has come off. My shirt button has come off. दूसरों को परेशान नहीं करो. Don't disturb others. Don't disturb others. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. I have got nothing. I have got nothing. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. हवा कुछ तेज हो रही है. The wind is raising. The wind is raising. मैं ये कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I do this? How can I do this? मेरे पाँव में मोच आ गई है. I have got sprained. I have got sprained. वो बाल बाल बचा. He had a narrow escape. He had a narrow escape. किसी चीज़ से गंदी बदबू आ रही है. Something smells bad. Something smells bad. तुम फालतू में परेशान हो रहे हो. You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. जो दिल में आए करो. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. तुमने आकर मेरा साथ दिया. You came to support me. You came to support me. उसे आना चाहिए था. He should have come. He should have come. तुमने तो हवा भी नहीं लगने दी. You didn't give us a hint. You didn't give us a hint. ज़्यादा भड़को मत. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. मैं क्या करूं? What should I do? What should I do? मेरे पीछे मत आओ. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. मैं नहीं मानता. I do not agree. I do not agree. मैं तुम्हें देख लूँगा. I will see you. I will see you. ईश्वर की कृपा से. By the grace of God या फिर by the God's grace. मन लगाकर काम करो. Work wholeheartedly. Work wholeheartedly. इसके लिए उसे मनाओ. Convince him for it. Convince him for it. क्या तुम मुझे जगा दोगे? Will you wake me up? Will you wake me up? मैं किराए पर रह रहा हूँ. I am living on rent. I am living on rent. मुझे आपसे माफ़ी चाहिए. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. मैंने तुम्हें उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. उसे समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं. No need to convince him. No need to convince him. दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? मैं पता लगा लूँगा. I will find out. I will find out. ज़्यादा हंसो मत. Don't laugh too much. Don't laugh too much. मैं जाकर देखता हूँ. I will go and see. I will go and see. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मैंने ज़्यादा देर सो लिया. I overslept. I overslept. मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा. I can't find my charger. I can't find my charger. चादर बिछा दो. Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. मैंने उसे कहीं देखा है. I have seen him somewhere. I have seen him somewhere. तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है. You have a habit of doubting. You have a habit of doubting. वो सफलता के नशे में चूर है. He is drunk with success. He is drunk with success. दादाजी ऊंचा सुनते हैं. दादाजी is hard of hearing. दादाजी is hard of hearing. ये कपड़े छोटे हो गए हैं. These clothes are worn out. These clothes are worn out. तुम किससे बात कर रही हो? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Now it's your turn to answer. Number 1. मेरे पीछे मत आओ. Number 2. मैंने तुम्हें उल्लू बनाया. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं एंड साथ ही अपना वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक देना ना भूलें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.